And today, special thanks to our friends at Syncwire. They were nice enough to send me this magnetic phone grip. Now, as you can see, this phone grip's a little different than most. Now, let me cut this seal. But inside of here is, nothing else in there, the magnetic phone grip. So take this out. It's just plastic. You've got this little clip that is included, but most importantly, this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, it's made for MagSafe phones. You're able to easily just peel this off, and then this magnetizes to the back of your phone. Now, what's really unique is you have all of the suction cups where you can easily suction cup your phone to whatever you may need, but you can also use this like a stand, like so, or even as a like ring holder. So that way you're able to easily hold your phone while you have this on it. You do have a little tab here that makes it real easy to be able to pull this off of your phone. And the best part is Syncwire is nice enough to include this little packet here, which this little packet is for everybody who does not have a magnet on the back of their phone, but they really want this feature. So you can use your positioner for the metal ring with the metal rings to put one of these metal rings on your phone or on your case. So that way you could use this if you wanted to. So that's essentially a look at this. They have a multitude of different colors, but thanks again to our friends over at Syncwire who were nice enough to send this to me so that I could unbox it and show you exactly what you get. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.